what's inside the military SINCGARS antenna. I acquired this some time ago and can't use it with my radio, so we're going to find out what's inside.
2,000 years later.
As you may have already noticed, I've already taken this thing apart. Here is the spring. It's like a copper or brass spring. Here's your connection for the radio. It's just a copper rod enclosed in fiberglass. I believe there might be an aluminum sleeve in there that connects to this. This comes off and you've got a connection here at the bottom. Goes through that spring into here. This slides down into this. We've got that, but to get this out of here, we're gonna have to snip a wire. Now here, this is your wire to your radio. It comes in through a BNC connection there, and here is, let's see, where's it at? No, I'm wrong. I made myself a liar. Nope. There's your radio, and this over here would be your ground wire. So I'm wrong. I have no idea what that is. This little board, and I have no idea what that is. Maybe you'll be able to make that out. Here, let's get closer. Here, let's turn it around. Now we can actually see the words, letters, numbers. All right. But we're going to take our all-purpose key and open that up. Got our all-purpose key, and we're gonna snip that. Take that apart, and there is that ground wire. There's 3 toroids in there. And this wire, this one, that cannot be a ground wire. But it is. And it's, I think these antennas are 3.5 to 1. Alright. Well, there's that. Inside, see, you've got little inductor coils. We're gonna open this up because I want those toroids. I've taken the screws out of the coil, except for that one screw, and got the mud that had accumulated in there, and you can see these 3 coils there. And where that wire goes in, so that is the ground and the the main wire that goes in there. Losing my mind. Back, and here are 3 toroids, and you can see how they ran the wires through these 3 toroids. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is inside a military antenna. I stripped one of these screws, so that's not going to come out, but you can pretty much guess there's nothing back behind there. Maybe a wire. Alright, that is what's inside a military antenna, the AS3900A VRC. Alright, you guys take it easy.